So first of all, we're going to start solving for b. And we've got a few things going on here. We can see that we're multiplying by 2 here because these two things are next to each other. And we can also see that we're divided by 3c. So let's first of all get rid of fractions because I never really like fractions particularly. So we're going to times by 3c because that's the inverse of dividing. So I've got a times 3c equals 2b. Now when you multiply these together, normally you put numbers first and then letters second and in alphabetical order. So I would bring the 3 to the front here and then put AC using my commutative rule equals 2b. Now we don't want 2b, we just want b by itself. So as this is times by 2, the opposite of that would be to divide by 2, and there's your answer. b equals 3ac divided by 2. Now if we go on to the second part of this question where it says solve for c, I've got that same problem where the thing I'm trying to find is on the bottom of the fraction, which makes this more difficult. So actually if I go to my second answer here, then c is actually on the top of this fraction, which sometimes makes these questions easier. So let's go to this line here, or perhaps even better, we can just go to this line here. So what am I doing to c? Well, I'm multiplying it by 3 and I'm multiplying it by a. What's the inverse of that? Well, to divide by a and 3. So that would cancel, and I just get left with c, and then a times 3. We can just change the order using the commutative rule and write it as 2b divided by 3a.